Welcome back in. Stormy and unsettled weather is now less than 24 hours away, and I want to explain why we've issued an alert day for Tuesday afternoon. This is going to be a potent early April storm system that brings us several severe risks. Wind, hail, and even an isolated spin-up tornado is going to be possible. The greatest risk, that is going to be to the south of Toledo. Here is where the risk is going to be the greatest. Across central Ohio to north central Ohio, that is a rare level 4 out of 5 severe weather risk. Now for tonight, all of the stronger stuff is going to be well out of reach to the southwest of us from southern Illinois into southern Indiana. Nothing you need to worry about weather-wise overnight tonight. There are some more of those spring showers rolling in from the west. We'll see those moving into the Hoosier State right now, crossing over the Illinois state line. Between South Bend down towards Fort Wayne, there are some showers and even a couple booms of thunder that will be possible. As far as where those are moving, some of these clusters near Fort Wayne could clip the southern fringes of our counties, including Putnam, and these ones could actually impact southern Michigan, moving towards Hillsdale. Here's the hour-by-hour timing. Those showers start to move in closer to sunset. Overnight tonight, boy, the rain is really going to pick on up. Look at all of these bright colors lighting up Doppler radar. That is some steady rain that could leave behind more ponding of water like we saw last night. We are briefly going to dry out for several hours. In fact, late morning through early afternoon, not likely to see anything falling from the sky. By 3 p.m. though, you'll notice this area of low pressure moving in, and that is going to produce some strong to severe thunderstorms between 3 to 8. Behind that system, some significant changes in the weather, and boy, we go from spring storms to blue. There is the chance that we see a few snowflakes mixing in on Wednesday. The greatest risk is going to come during the evening for your Tuesday. All severe weather risks are on the table. That includes wind, hail, and even a brief spin-up tornado. And keep in mind, we will have several brief dry hours before the storm risks moves on through. Localized flooding will be possible, especially those of you who live closer to those rivers that may see rising levels, with the greatest flood risk south towards Crawford, Wyandotte, Hancock, and Putnam counties. Here's a look at rainfall totals. Overnight tonight, an inch or more possible in the metro, with 2 inches to the south. Now, additional rainfall Tuesday afternoon, it is going to be dependent on where those heaviest storm cells set up shop, but when all is said and done, there is the chance for 3 inches of rain over the next 36 hours, which could contribute to some spring flooding, at least in low-lying areas. Wednesday, there's that change in the weather that'll bring us a few sprinkles and flurries, and Thursday, finally drying out as that system departs. We're getting all the rain out of our system this week so that Eclipse Day, fingers crossed, remains partly sunny. Here is that forecast. We've given you a first look since it was 10 days out, and we are still looking at a mild day with temperatures in the 60s. You'll see that eclipse forecast next Monday, April 8th. We do have several dry days and a chance to get rid of that moisture after a rainy start to April. Dry weather returns into next weekend.